Hey guys, today we've got a Sunbeam garment steamer that I will unbox for you. It's the 4026 model. So let's go ahead and open up the box and see what is inside. First up, we have a product registration card and then we have an instruction manual. Let's take a quick peek. It's not in color, but there are some pictures along with some numbered details and instructions. Next, we have what looks like to be a pouch in case you want to travel with your steamer. The bag looks like it has a drawstring as well, which is pretty handy. All right, we'll put that aside for the time being. Let's pull out the steamer and see what it looks like. So the steamer is pretty compact and lightweight. I can definitely use it with one hand, I think. And the power cord is pretty long, so that's good if you have a long dress or pants that are hung up to steam. Or if you have draperies that are already hung up that need to be steamed. There's some bristles that frame the head of the steamer, and in the head there are 6 little holes, presumably where the steam will escape. And that red thing is a little lint brush, which is convenient. And I think the handle pulls off so you can fill the receptacle with water. And here's the little opening for you to pour your water into. It's not very large, so you may need to fill it up several times if you have more than one article of clothing to steam. All right, so I think that's pretty much it. That just about wraps it up.